Hi all, my name is Dr. Lee West and I'll be teaching you Chemistry 139 this quarter. This is just a little bit of information to help you get started and find out a little bit about the class. I'll be going through all of this information again on the first day of class. So, as I mentioned, my name is Lee West. I do have an office, LSC 131, and my phone number. And so you can give me a phone call any time. You can also contact me in text form, either by sending me a Canvas message, or you can email me at the email address that I've got here. This quarter we're going to be having office hours Monday through Friday, 9:30 till 10:30 a.m. And these are going to be via Zoom, and I've sent out details about that. And every week there'll be a day where we'll meet for 1 hour on Wednesdays at 1 p.m. again via Zoom, and I've sent out details about that. And yeah, that's just really to help you with your homework. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. On Monday next week, we're going to be meeting at 1 p.m. when I'm going to be running through the layout of the class and answering any questions you might have. I'll be repeating that information, this information at that point as well. So you will need a textbook. It's called Introduction to Chemical Principles. We're using the 11th edition and it's written by Stoker. And if you look in the syllabus, you can get an ISBN and all of that good stuff if you need it. Either the hard copy or the online copy works just fine. And let me know if you're having trouble purchasing that book and I'll see if we can do something to help you out. You'll need a basic scientific calculator. You don't have to have a graphing calculator. They are nice, but there's no disadvantage really if you don't have one. You might consider getting a graphing calculator if you're going to be a STEM professional. You won't be able to use your mobile phone during assessments. So yeah, just kind of having your scientific calculator always available is really going to be very helpful. Every week I'll give you a quiz, except for in the weeks when we have a test scheduled. And I should point out that we have a common deadline for all work in this class. It is Monday, 6 a.m. after it was assigned. And that's the same for all of the assignments that you'll be doing this quarter. We don't do makeup quizzes. You have a whole week to do the quiz, so that should be pretty flexible for most people, but I will drop the lowest quiz score. I'm going to give you homework each week. That's just a list of problems from the back of the textbook. What you're going to do is you're going to complete that homework, your pen and paper, you'll make a scan of that, and then you'll upload that as a single PDF file to Canvas. So when you go into the homework problems assignment, there's a big blue button at the top that says submit. You'll hit on that button and that's where you'll be able to upload your file. I've posted a video that guides you through some of the options for making these PDF files. Contact me if you're still having trouble with that. It's worth practicing before you need to submit your first assignment. Okay, there are going to be 3 tests, and I'm going to give these most likely in weeks 4, 7, and 9. So basically, they're every 3 weeks, unless something comes up that kind of makes that seem, not in your best interest. Then that's what I'm aiming for at the moment. And then we will also have a final exam, and the final exam is comprehensive. It will cover all of the material presented during the quarter. So it's, this is going to be at the time in the final schedule that is posted on the Pearce College website. So I'll show you again how to look that up in the session on Monday. And also near the final exam, I'll go through where you can find the time and the date for that final. So being quite honest, the class is a real simple structure. It's not a lab class, so it's really just about quizzes and homework and, very, very simple. It's a little weird because we're doing some things online that we normally do in class, so you'll have to get kind of used to scanning and uploading documents. But, we do that anyway in general chemistry every week. So it's something that you need to get used to if you're going to pursue studies in chemistry. So just make sure that you're prepared, watch the videos, read the book, make the notes. And, to be honest, normally every single student will get a passing grade. If I had to give some advice about the class, it's being able to solve problems similar to the ones that are in the back of the book without any notes. That's the key skill. That's where you're going to get most of your points, because most of your points are all about doing well on those quizzes and tests. Okay, that's enough for me. I'm out of here, and I'll see you all next week.